Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to SAROJINI SMART LEARNING. This is Murahari sir. For the last few episodes, we are doing different concepts in mathematics, especially for the primary and middle school children. And this will be definitely useful for the competitive exams also who are preparing for their exams. So hope you are understanding this one. And thank you very much for subscribing me and commenting your comments in the comment box. Okay, so today also we are here to start with a new topic. Okay, and we plan to start with the unitary method. So unitary method, UNITARY, unitary method. Today we will do it unitary method problems. So what is unitary method? First of all, we have to know what is unitary method. Unit, the question, the answer is itself in the word unit. Unit means one. Unit means always one. Unit means one. So that means here there are three types of calculations or problems we come across in this chapter. First one is when many values are given, how to find out for one value or one quantity. Or if one quantity value is given, how to find out the more quantity values. Okay? So in this way, and third part. So we'll go in a step-by-step manner and you will definitely understand this and hope you will understand everything, whatever I teach. And you can prepare a notes also so that you can remember for a long time. Okay? So now I'm going to write questions one by one. So according to that we will go. Okay. So here the first concept. What is the concept? Finding the value of 1. We are going to find the value of 1 when the value of many is given. Like example I take. Example. The cost of 12 apples is rupees 60. Then what is the cost of 1 apple? So now here for many apples he has given and we are going to find out for 1. So this is the concept finding the value of 1 when the value of many is given, isn't it? So how to find out? So here number of apples are how many? 12. Right? Number of apples are 12. And what is the cost for 12 apples? That is 60. Again here we are going to find out 1 apple. So what is the cost? This is the question. In this one, number of apples have been decreased. Okay? From 12 to 1 it has been decreased. Similarly, the amount also will decrease. Yes? If the apples are more, that means if the number of apples are increasing, so definitely the cost of the apples also will increases, isn't it? So now here 12 is becoming 1, that is it is decreasing, so definitely the amount also will decrease. So whenever we get a problem to decrease anything, we have to divide it. You have to remember, you have to divide it. So how to divide it? 60 divided by 12. So 60 divided by 12, so 12 5 is 60, that's it. If you know the 12 table, you can do by 12. So therefore the cost of 1 apple is rupees 60 or $60 like that. Okay. So here there is one more thing is 60 divided by 12. You can get cancelled here only like 2 6 times. 2 3s are 6, 2 zeros are. Again 2 3s are 2 15s are. 3 1s are 3 5s are. So this cancellation method also you can adopt while doing this type of sums. So what is the question? So he has given 12 apples cost is 60 and you are going to find out for 1. So that is what unitary method is. Finding for 1 is simply nothing but unitary method. So here when the number of apples are decreasing, so definitely the number of rupees also will decrease. Whenever the decrease calculations come, You just remember that we have to do division. So 60 divided by 12, which is equal to, sorry, excuse what I wrote. The cost of one apple is 5 rupees. Okay, so I'll take one more example. We'll see now. Yeah. Now, here I wrote one more question. The question is the price of 4 pencil boxes. 4 pencil boxes is 224 is given. Now we have to find the price for 1 pencil box. Again 1, we are finding for 1, that is nothing but unitary method. So how we are going to write? 4 pencil boxes is rupees 224. And we are going to find out for 1 pencil box. 1 pencil box, what is the question? Is it division or multiplication? That we have to analyze it. Now, the 4 pencil box becoming 1. That means the number of pencil boxes are decreasing. So here also the number of rupees also will decrease. That means division. So 224 divided by 4. So you can do in the division method pattern 224 divided by 4. 4 5s are 20. So 22 minus 20 is nothing but 2. And 4 will bring down, that is here. And 4 6 are 24. So the answer is 56. So therefore, cost of 1 pencil box is equal to 56 rupees. So this is the method of doing unitary method sums. Okay. So whatever he gives for how many quantities, okay. Then according to that, we are going to find out for 1 quantity. Okay. So now, I'll go to next question. So after the question, here one more question I given. The question is the cost of 9 pens is 245 rupees. Here the content may be changed. It may be fruits, it may be pencil, pen or whatever it is. So the cost of 9 pens is 245 rupees and we are going to find out what is the cost of 1 pen. Okay. Now let's check now. So cost of 9 pens, or you can write in detail, cost of 9 pens equal to rupees 245, and then what is the cost of 1 pen is equal to how much? Now 9 pens becoming 1 pen, that means that definitely the amount also will decrease. That means it is a division problem. Yeah. So here the cost of 9 pens is 245 rupees and to find out cost of 1 pen. So here number of pens are decreasing, definitely the total amount also will decrease. That is nothing but division problem. So how we are going to do? 245 is divided by 9. So according to our regular method of division, so in 9 table, so 9 2s are 18, because if you take 9 times 3, it will be 27. So 18, if you remove 18 from 24, you will get to the 6. So this is 5. So in 9 table, when 63 will come, we'll check. 9 7s are 63. So you left with 2, because 65 minus 63 is 2. So 2 on goes, so directly we can assume as a decimal point, which is 0. So 9 2s are 18. Again 2 will come, 9 2s are 18, and so on. So it is an average of rupees 27 rupee 22 paise is the cost of 1 pen. So here in this chapter, what we are learning is when the number of quantities values given, so how to find out for 1. Okay, so in the next episodes, what we'll do is, if the value of 1 is given, so how to find out for more number of values. Okay, so this is simply a division problem. Here many students will get confused whether to do divide or whether to do multiplication, and when to divide, when to multiplications. We are there to help you. So along with this, I am going to tell one more example. Okay, so here is the question. I wrote on the whiteboard. What is the question given? A car goes 215 kilometers in 5 hours. So the total time given is 5 hours. In that 5 hours, it is going 215. So you can write down. So First you write down the car goes in 5 hours. It is covering 215 kilometers. So how far does it go in 1 hour? So we are going to find out for 1 hour. So definitely 5 hours becoming 1 hour, that is a decrease process. So definitely the distance also will be lesser than what it was. So it is nothing but division. 215 divided by 5. Now we check through division process. So 5 4s are 20. Okay. So 1 will be left and next number 5 bring down. So 5 3s are 15. That means you got 43, which is equal to 43. Therefore, the car goes 43 kilometers in 1 hour. So in this way, you can do it. So whatever the content, whatever the names may be, so this is the only one procedure. You can do it very simply using this division concept. When more number of things were given, finding for 1 is the main theme of this unitary method part 1. In our next episode, we will do with when 1 is given, how to find out for more things. Okay. So thank you for watching my videos.